Vision J100 Heat Dissipation Charger, when stored for a long time or in windy and sandy outdoors. The dust-proof plate and battery guide rail need to be maintained. It will not be conducive to heat dissipation. The internal charging module will also be affected by high temperature. Firstly, we will remove the dust cover under the cooling fan of the charger. Then remove the heatsink plate outside the power module. Use a brush to gently brush off the dust inside the charging module. Put the 2 heat dissipation plates into the foam water. To clean it. Before soaking the heatsink outside the charging module, remove the built-in dust-proof cotton. And brush off the dust with a brush, and the dust on the surface of the shell. It should be noted that there are many electronic components inside the charging module. Before installing the dust-proof plate, the moisture must be wiped clean before installation. After installation, use a brush to clean the dust on the heatsink fan. Also check the battery guide rail. If the screws are loose, they need to be tightened. If you find the copper sheet is misaligned or burnt, it needs to be replaced in time. And check if the core inside the charging port is tilted or dirty, whether the charging cable connection is loose, and whether there are any tilted or foreign objects. Finally, use alcohol to wipe off impurities on the copper sheet and appearance. Use it with more peace of mind.